to be angry even unto death, to denounce, to decry with unfaltering breath, to lift up my voice, cry aloud and not spare. A fiend, yeah, legions are with us, beware. Beware the foul demon, avoid his vile haunts, for soul-crushing horrors, woes, miseries, and wants still follow his steps and attend in his train, and his path is bestrewn with the bones of his slain. His wings are outspread like a dark thundercloud o'er thee, my love Scotland, the pole and the shroud, and the grave of thy glory thine own hands prepare, while harboring, serving the demon, beware. Where are thy Sabbaths, say, how are they spent? Dost use them as channels whence passion finds vent, in drinking, blaspheming, in orgies obscene, in the fields, in the woods, in the filthy shebeen? Children at play on the street, romping and shouting, the varlets I meet. On my soul it is sad, and my heart it is pained, for children neglected and Sabbaths profaned. Where are thy mothers, where are thy wives? Do they make it the aim and the end of their lives, to be sober and virtuous, not gadding abroad, but training their children for life and for God? I do well to be angry, 'tis horror to think of mothers possessed by the demon of drink, who lay on his altar their all upon earth, the treasures of childhood, the home and the heart. The Sabbath to hear the shout of the drunkard, his maudlin cheer, as out from the shipping he staggers along, with oaths and obscenity larding his song. But sadder to see and sadder to hear, a mother, that name should be sacred and dear, a drunkard, a libel on true womankind. How chuckles the demon such vot'ries to find? I do well to be angry even unto death. A mother, a drunkard, her poisonous breath sweeps over her heart like the deadly simoon, leaving want, woe, and shame, desolation, and gloom.